Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can join WhatsApp group through QR code. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So to join your WhatsApp group through QR code, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the message you have received QR code in WhatsApp. Here, using this QR code, you can join your WhatsApp group easily. Click on the QR code and scan it or simply click on the link right below. It will ask you whether to join the group or not. Click on Join Group and tap on View Group. You successfully joined your WhatsApp group through QR code. This is how you can join your WhatsApp group through QR code just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.